Hello my lovelies, so I'm excited to come and share with you this lovely wig from Alipearl. In the box you get the wig cap, you get a silk bag for the wig, and also some hair accessories as well, which is great. This is the wig right here, and as you can see, she is stunning. She's given thickness, she's given volume, she's given a straightness. It is a closure wig, but just look how the pleats are notched and it's pre-plucked already, pre-cut. It's one of those wear and go wigs which I'm absolutely obsessed with these days, and that's why you see a lot of them on my channel. But yeah, what I'm doing now is just matching the lace to my skin tone, which perfectly just melted the lace right in. Just look how I've just put the wig straight on. I've had to do nothing, even the parting, just everything about this. I'm going to buy 2 extra ones because these wear and go wigs are just perfect for on the go. If you don't like gluing, if you don't like sticking down anything, if you just want to just wear and go, honestly, this is the best one, and this is the best one I've tried so far, and I've tried a lot. I love them all, but the fact that this literally is low maintenance, just like myself, then this is literally perfect. So I'm literally just putting this on my head right now, and I'm just adjusting it. There's straps at the back that you can adjust as well to make it tighter. I would suggest to make it just a tad tight, only because you're not trying to glue nothing down or spray anything down, so you don't want it to budge. So right now I'm just trying to flatten the wig down with, again, my mousse. This is my favorite mousse, guys. If you use mousses, then this is like the best one I've used so far, and I'm going to buy a few more of these. I think it's from Body Lotto or something. But yeah, I'm just literally just combing that through, making sure it's all just like damp at the top, so that way you can train the hair just to stay down. You want it to be lay as flat as possible, especially with straight wigs. You need it to lay as flat as possible. So that's literally what I'm doing for the styling process. I then went in with a wax stick, but before that I did go in with my hair dryer. This is my new go-to step. If you don't do this, then make sure you do, or try and get into it and see how it is. But it just flattens everything down just so much more, especially when you're going with a hair dryer with a comb and then the hot comb. It just, yeah, it's just the best combo ever. So that's literally what I do. It doesn't take me too long either, and then a wax stick and then a hot comb after, and you're good to go. So this is what the hair is looking like. As you can see, she is lush. She's just, oh, absolutely stunning. So I did go in with a hair serum because I'm going to straighten the hair. I want to make sure that it's nice and silky looking. So it took me around 5 minutes to straighten this hair. The best thing about this hair, again, is that you took it out of the box and literally it is bone straight already. All you need to do is go and straighten some of the parts that will kind of like yeah, just a bit not straight, if that makes sense, because it has been in a box. But that's the one thing I did like about this straight hair. Some straight hair, sometimes you have to straighten like the whole of it. This one only took 5 minutes, and again, it's optional if you want to or not. But yeah, I definitely would recommend this hair. This hair is absolutely stunning. It's so soft, it's gorgeous, it's just everything I need, and I need at least 2 more of these because just wow. And just look how it's flowing. And also I'll show you later with a comb that you can literally just put through like this. Like I want to show you basically that it's not glued down or anything. So I put a comb through it and look, there it is. But yeah guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.